Well, greetings from the 2024 Florida RV Super Show in Tampa, Florida State Fairgrounds. And now we are at the motorized section of Winnebago. Well, here we are. This is the new floor plan for the Winnebago View 24T. And there's more than meets the eye here at the 24T. This is 25 feet 6 inches in length. And yeah, this is new. It's of course on the Sprinter chassis, Mercedes-Benz, with all the bells and whistles here. You know, it's one of the nicer ones. They have this decor. It's pronounced Hugo, not like Hugo, but Hugo. I don't know, but it's this color scheme and hold on, is this color scheme and well, this part of the view is familiar. You have the in the overhead, you have the bed up there. Of course, both seats swivel, and they have all this cool stuff. I believe this is a digital rear view mirror, I believe. In any case, here in the back is where the story, the plot thickens. We have these two recliners, very nice, with a Murphy bed that we're gonna bring down now. It's very easy. Induction cooktop, but this is a Winnebago View thing. I think I don't know if all of them have it, but I really like it because you have propane and you have induction cooktop. So the best of both worlds there. Convection microwave here. I mean, this is a beautiful decor actually. It's very different. Soft closing drawers. Very nice. Here we have a little bit of prep area. Nice round sink. Counter extension, very cool. And then you have this dinette table. But the big thing about this the dinette, it'll fold down, and these chairs will fold, and you can store them there. And then this Murphy bed, we're gonna actually let's do it right now. And I believe it is a two-handed operation, so I'm gonna set my camera here. It's simpler than a two-handed operation, but you know, I just want to show you. Let me tilt up a little bit. There we go, much better. And what you do, you open up these two legs. There. And there. I believe that this one locked. This one didn't lock. So we'll leave it there. And then all you have to do is press a button. And there's a button right here. And check it out. You blink, you missed it. Now, was that fast or what? And then you accommodate your cushion here, and you have your Murphy bed here. Now, yeah, this has a rather large slide out. So what happens if you are at a Cracker Barrel, and yeah, in theory this wouldn't work, right? But it does, because that's a folding table. So you fold down the dinette, and then your bed would come up to here or so. So you still have a usable bed. If you're staying at a place where deploying the slide is not feasible or not convenient or rude, so that's a great feature, and to be able to stay at places. This is Norcold refrigerator here, 12 volt as well, of course, and here's the TV. Here's some storage. And here on this side, we even have a Blu-ray player, because, Blu-ray player, and here's some space here on the top, so you can put like a Roku, Apple TV, whatever streaming device you'd like. This is the Connect system that I think I'm gonna see if I can get someone to explain to us better how it works. But, you can either control everything through here, or there's an app. There's an app for that, but you can, turn on or turn off all the interior lights, or the water pump, the water heater, the inverter, the roof fan. Like, there it is. Where's my roof fan? I heard it. There you go. It's starting automatically, and everything you control from here, which is pretty cool. Here's your levels, and as I mentioned, there's an app, and I believe there's like a subscription service that you can have, like OnStar, and then they can even do diagnostics remotely. Porcelain toilet, we wouldn't have it on their way. And this is not a bidet. This is actually to wash the toilet bowl if anything were to Very nice shelves here, and they are adjustable, so you know you're not stuck with a certain height. You can adjust them to whatever you need. Here in the bathroom, you have a small sink, some space here, so some counter space. Down here, more storage, even more storage, and back here, oh man, I could put all my t-shirts back here. This is a huge closet. And what's under the closet we're gonna see outside right now. First, shower, very nice shower with a, you know, if you want to sit down, you know, some people like to sit down to shower. That's good. A clothes rack. I mean, fairly good clearance here. I'm 5'10", so as you know, yeah. What do we have here? Okay, one more thing. Pantry. Huge pantry. I don't know what these two. Okay, these are, but as you can see, they are like digital. They are not your regular mechanical switches, because everything here is controlled by this screen right here. Let me show you the outside. On the outside, we have this, and that's what's under that wardrobe closet in the back. We have this huge garage, and this, according to what Dwayne told me, this is the first time they do a garage of this size in a view. And as you can see, you know, you can fit 2 bicycles there. You have you can access through here, through the back, or through this side as well. Here we have our wet bay here, which, as you can see, it's sealed, so this would be great even in winter time. Here we have your fresh water inlet and your black tank flush. Do not get them confused. That would be a disaster. But anyway, this is the new Winnebago View, and now I'm gonna see if I can get somebody to tell us more about that nifty screen we saw inside.
So the Winnebago Connect system comes along with a free companion mobile app. It's available for both iPhones and Androids. And what this does essentially takes all of the functionality of the Winnebago Connect system and puts it right in the palm of your hand. So this has the capability of both Bluetooth connectivity as well as far field connectivity, so you can literally control systems from anywhere in the world. You get push notifications as alerts come up on the HMI. Those also get pushed to your phone. So you'll get alerts if you set a temperature range, or battery levels are getting low, or what have you. All those alerts will also come through the phone, so you'll be notified again anywhere in the world that you're at.
Now you were telling me earlier about the different plans, because I know there's like a free plan that does the basic functionality, and then you can do more.
Yeah, so we have plans for 3 different levels. Again, there's the basic free level, which allows you to pair your phone with the Winnebago Connect system. Next level up provides for far field capability, so you'll be able to, again, use your phone from anywhere. In addition, that'll give you the over-the-air updates for the system itself. Another level up from that will then also offer a Wi-Fi plan along with it, so customers will be able to not only have that far field capability, but check your emails, watch movies.
Some of those
do
work from the road, so it's a great,
exactly,
it's great to have.
exactly.
All right, well, thank you so much, Chris.
Chris
for telling us about the Connect system. It's been a long day. I'm tired. But I forgot to show you one thing. Oh, and I'm crushing my water bottle here. There's a secret button down here that does this. Somebody close the door. I want to stay in here for a while in the air conditioner. And now, how does this work? Oh, you press the button again, and you go back to your upright position. Very cool. Winnebago View 24T. I like it.
I'm riding in my